Common career mistakes professionals make while upskilling. Introduction. Upskilling has become the new survival skill. Every professional today knows they must keep learning to stay relevant. Courses, certifications, boot camps, workshops, the options are endless. But here's the truth no one talks about. Upskilling the wrong way can damage your career more than not upskilling at all. Many professionals invest time, money, energy, yet they still feel stuck, confused, and frustrated. In this video, we'll uncover the most common career mistakes professionals make while upskilling, why these mistakes happen, and how you can avoid them, no matter whether you are in technology, SAP, management, finance, or any professional field. If you want your learning efforts to actually translate into career growth, better roles, and higher income, watch till the end. Mistake 1. Upskilling without a career direction. The biggest mistake professionals make is learning without clarity. They ask, which skill is trending? What everyone else is learning? Which course promises high salary? But they forget to ask the most important question. Where do I want my career to go? Upskilling without direction is like driving fast without knowing the destination. You may be learning a lot, but you're not moving forward. Example: a working professional learns a bit of data analytics, some project management, a little cloud, a certification in SAP, but none of it connects into a clear professional identity. Result: no strong profile, no clear role fit, no confident interviews. Key lesson: upskilling should support a career path, not confuse it. Mistake 2. Chasing trends blindly. Trends change fast. What's hot today may be crowded tomorrow. Many professionals jump into learning just because AI is booming, everyone is doing data science, this skill pays a lot, but they never ask, do I enjoy this work? Does it match my background? Can I realistically compete in this field? Example: someone with 10 years of operations experience jumps into advanced AI engineering without fundamentals. They struggle. They lose confidence. They quit midway. Key lesson: not every trending skill is meant for everyone. The best skill for you is aligned with your experience, suitable for your learning style, sustainable for the long term. Mistake number 3. Collecting certificates instead of skills. Certificates feel productive. They look impressive. They give instant satisfaction. But certificates do not equal competence. Many professionals fall into the trap of completing courses quickly, skipping practice, memorizing instead of understanding. Recruiters don't ask, how many certificates do you have? They ask, can you solve real problems? Can you apply what you learned? Can you explain your thinking? Example: a candidate has 5 certifications but cannot explain how they used the skill at work, what problem it solved, what value it created. Key lesson: one strong skill with real application is better than 10 unused certificates. Mistake 4. Learning everything alone. Upskilling in isolation slows growth. Many professionals don't ask questions, don't seek mentors, don't join communities. They assume, I should figure everything out myself. But learning without guidance leads to repeated mistakes, knowledge gap, self-doubt. Example: a professional struggles with the same concept for months, while someone with a mentor understands it in weeks. Key lesson: guidance accelerates learning. Community multiplies growth. Mistake 5. Ignoring fundamentals while upskilling. Everyone wants advanced skills. Few respect fundamentals. Professionals often skip basics of the domain, core business understanding, foundational concepts. They rush into advanced tools and frameworks. But without strong fundamentals, learning feels difficult. Concepts don't stick. Growth plateaus quickly. Example: a professional learns advanced analytics tools but doesn't understand business metrics. Result: they can generate reports, but can't explain insights. Key lesson: Strong fundamentals make advanced skills powerful. Mistake 6. Not applying skills in real-world learning without application is temporary. Many professionals finish courses but don't practice, don't apply at work, don't build examples. Skills fade when unused. Upskilling must include small projects, workplace experiments, real-world application. Key lesson: if you don't use a skill, you lose it. Mistake 7. Expecting immediate career results. Upskilling is not magic. Many professionals expect instant promotions, immediate job switches, sudden salary jumps. When results don't come quickly, they lose motivation, quit learning, blame the skill. Reality: upskilling compounds over time. The real benefits show when skills mature, experience accumulates, opportunities align. Key lesson: consistency beats speed. Mistake 8. Not communicating new skills effectively. Learning a skill is only half the job. Communicating it is the other half. Many professionals fail to update resumes properly, explain skill impact, showcase learning outcomes. They say, "I completed a course," instead of, "I used this skill to improve efficiency by 20%. Key lesson: your skills must be visible to create opportunities. How to upskill the right way to upskill effectively. Choose a clear career direction, build strong fundamentals, focus on applied learning, seek mentors and feedback, be patient and consistent. Upskilling should build a stronger professional identity, not confusion. Closing message: upskilling is powerful, but only when done with purpose. Avoid these common mistakes, and your learning will turn into career growth, better opportunities, long-term success. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more career guidance. Remember, learn smart, not just more.